Ever wondered where your keyboard came from? Let's dive into the wild history of typing. The first mechanical typewriter was created in 1873 by Christopher Latham Scholes. It looked nothing like the one you're using today. Ever wonder why the keys are all weird? It's called the QWERTY layout, designed to slow you down so typewriters wouldn't jam. Fast forward to the 1980s. The first personal computer keyboards arrived, and QWERTY stuck around like an old friend. Today, we've got mechanical, wireless, RGB lit keyboards, perfect for gaming and, of course, typing memes. Fun fact, gaming keyboards have a lifespan of up to 50 million keystrokes. You could type nonstop for 5 years before they start to wear out. From typewriters to gaming beasts, keyboards have come a long way. Smash that like, follow for more fun facts, and keep typing.